Ladies and gentlemen, Whitley Green. Hi guys, welcome back. Here are the results. We put down the seeds August 3rd, September 7th. Here you go. Again, the weather has been terrible with a capital T. But it's a part of it. Got to take the good with the bad. Learn from them both. Okay, I'll perform a little maintenance on the vincas and this whole area. You know what? I'd be lying to you if I said I wasn't disappointed. You know I am. You know why? We set a high standard, a Whitley standard. Sonic Bloom wine is okay. Sitting area looks good. That's a bright spot. You know what? That salvia and balloon flower looks great. How about we check on the rose bushes? Hey, what do you guys think about the paint? Should have sealed it. Not a big deal. Not worried about it. I can always do something about that. Man, these rose bushes are getting big. Look at them. Man, better than expected. I'll take this. Take it any day of the week. What about the little engine that could? Go to season 5. The name of the video is Husky Kneeling Pads something something something. Then you'll see the transformation. They were dying. They were done. I should have thrown them out, but I didn't. Stuck with it. Shown some patience. Now look, it's not over. This is far from over. Have to do something about this. You know I will. Has to be done. It's a must. Let's get to it. First things first, let's get rid of these weeds. Watch my back, guys. Watch my back. Okay, we're good. Have to do both sides. It's the right thing to do. Got the power smart out. Yeah, we're going to overseed the overseed. Be careful, Willie. Be careful. Don't mess up those vincas. Both sides. Yeah, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to do it again. I can't take that L. I won't take that L. This is game 7. Shouldn't make any sports references. But this is game 7. Fourth quarter. 5 seconds left. I got the ball. I'm going to take the shot. Let's see what happens. See some stuff I don't like, so I have to remove it. It's not me. It's not the process. We're going to get through it, though. And you know what? I should have done this around this time instead of August 3rd. I thought I could get away with it, but it didn't work out in my favor. Let's stay positive. We did get some green. Something is better than nothing. I'll take something over nothing any day of the week. If nothing else, water your pots. It's relaxing. I just have so many to water. If you're going to do something, do it right, I guess. Prep is complete. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're going to put more seeds down. We're going to get through this. We're going to get through this together. We will recover. We will endure. We will defeat Mother Nature. It's the next day. Got a surprise. I'm going to use the rapid growth and the regular Scott Sun and Shade mix. I'm going to take the rake and make a bed for the seeds. Don't forget this side. Might as well put the sprinklers back down. Gonna need the water. You guessed it. Won't use the water hose this time. Let's do it again. Put those seeds down. We know what we're doing. Once you finish, rake them in. No matter what, I always put down a second layer. Nothing's changed. Spread those seeds too. Smaller section, but the process is the same. Spread those seeds too. You know what? I deserve this. I should have waited. Should have been patient. Work smart, not hard. So next time, wait for that weather to pass. Okay, got some peat moss left. Let's put it down. Only so much left. As a reminder, have this stuff on standby, guys. Second to last on the list, starter fertilizer. This side again. All right, we are done. We did it. Let's get out of here. Do me a favor. Just one last favor. Take a good look at this. When we come back, things won't be the same. I guarantee it. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.